Hello, my name is Sara Kazanowski, and I'm a nurse practitioner over at Dartmouth Health, and I work in the obesity medicine department. I'm passionate about helping my patients advocate for themselves and feeling good about themselves. Most of our patients, when they've come to us, have tried everything and have been told their whole life to eat less and exercise more. And so by the time we see them, they're really depressed, feeling defeated. And so our program gives them hope, and it's nice to be able to be a part of that. I think the patients are most proud of how they feel and regaining back some of their self-confidence and self-worth, because a lot of that has been depleted over the years, either by judgment or obesity bias or trauma in their life. So it's really nice to be a part of seeing patients thrive and not just survive.